we believe that the customer should really be represented by somebody else other than us when it comes to evaluating. We'll come up with our proposed design, but we want somebody else that's really going to look at that on behalf of the customer. Customer can even hire their own engineer if they want.
By using third-party engineers, right? They're local engineers. They're versed with what our soil's like in Colorado, because we are one of a kind out here, right? What works in Colorado doesn't work in other states, right? So by working with third-party local engineers, they know our environment, they know our weather.
It's
right?
nice that we have the unbiased opinion of a structural engineer kind of validating what needs to happen for the home, and for the customer's perspective, they have the same benefit. It's basically taking a look at what actually is needed in order to get their home back and structurally stable without any sort of fluffy stuff that's thrown in there. It's really just the meat of it.
Internally employed engineers are going to just sell you what the company wants to sell you. So they're not going to say they agree with the design or disagree with the design. They're just going to do the design.
Companies that are using in-house engineers, those engineers aren't as familiar with the area, and basically they're given a plan from a salesperson or evaluator like myself, and they're more or less agreeing with that plan whether they've been out to that property or not. So whether you need those 13 helical piers or you need 3, that engineer's never been on site to confirm that.